So in this video, you're going to see the step following the listening while reading section. Click here if you haven't seen the video yet. And you're going to see how I'm going to use a piece of paper and I'm going to read my own music sheet that I've created in there, and I'm going to read it out loud at a specific rhythm. So without further ado, let's get started. Ghosts and Goblins. October 31st is a night for fun and fright. Children of all ages dress up in costumes. There are little girls who dress up as fairies, princesses, ballerinas, and the like. There are little boys who dress up as firefighters, policemen, and superheroes. You also have the children who dress up as furry animals or ghoulish ghosts. One thing is certain: no matter what costume you choose, there is sure to be a lot of candy and chocolate involved in Halloween. I can remember going trick-or-treating as a child and using a pillowcase as a goodie bag. This ensured that I would have plenty of room for the ridiculous amounts of chocolate that I collected. I remember having many stomach aches in the week that followed Halloween. I probably had enough candy to last a month, but I ate it all within a few days. Some parents take their children's candy and will only allow them a certain amount each day. However, my mom wanted to get it over with. She thought it was better to let me eat it all at once than to have to listen to me whine about candy for a whole month. You might have the impression that Halloween is just for kids, but you would be wrong. Many adults take part in the festivities as well. For example, there are many parties that take place all over the city. Most people dress up in costumes, and often there are prizes given for the best ones. Some adults spend months and a lot of money coming up with unique and elaborate costumes. I believe that some adults have more fun on Halloween than most children do. Furthermore, many adults and teenagers like to set off fireworks and firecrackers. There are often wonderful firework displays at parks and schools. Usually, they are put on by firefighters to make sure that nobody gets hurt. October 31st is generally not a peaceful night. So, if you think you will be going to bed early, you had better think again. Often, there are teenagers setting off firecrackers until all hours in the morning. So here you have it. This is a simple technique where you're going to read the text that you yourself have marked phonetically at a rhythm which allows you to tackle both pronunciation, articulation of the sounds, and also to pronounce things and uttering things with the right intonation. That is really important because what normally happens is that people either care about pronunciation too much, missing the forest for the trees, or they focus on intonation but they mispronounce words. And this is a balance between the two things. It's really effective, it's really simple, and it can work wonders for your pronunciation.